It's very delicious. Watch and enjoy. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make very delicious McDonald's menu at home. Let's go! First we'll make cheeseburger.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Was the best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Next one is potato free.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is
Now we need to put these potatoes in cold water so that all the scratch comes out of them. Okay, 20 minutes passed. Now we can take our potatoes from lava water and cut them up.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
And the last one is Big Mac. First we need to make special sauce. We need mayo, enough, garlic powder, Okay. Some mustard. Okay. Paprika. Salt and pepper. Pickle brine. And cut some pickle. Yeah.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red.